Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on Snapchat message notification. So let's go. For this, first of all, you have to go to your Snapchat app. Then click on your Snapchat account. Then click on settings. Here you can see notifications. Click on notifications. Now you have to enable your notifications. Turn on this button. Now go back and click again on notifications. Now scroll down. You can see here message reminders. You can also see here best friend message sounds. Click on that. Click on sounds. So this is how you can turn on Snapchat message notification. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.